Few weeks ago, I was researching dropshipping product pages and looking what's actually live out there, and I kept landing on pages like this. Look at this title, Pillow Ergonomic Lumbar Roll. It sounds like Yoda wrote that. Look at the order of the words on that page. And then you scroll down and you look at the description, color, black, modified one piece. I mean, it doesn't say anything about it. It's just like a list of features. And then I'm always looking for some social proof, so you look for some social proof. There's some reviews down here, but it's talking about other products. Like this is just reviews for the brand, I think, not for this product in particular. This is what most dropshipping pages look like in the wild. And here's the thing, they're probably not wrong with the product itself. It's probably a very good product, but this type of page will never sell. No one's going to buy from this page. I've been dropshipping for over 6 years, and I'll tell you straight, the one page that decides whether your store actually makes money, it's not your home page, it's not your About Us page or your contact page, it's the product pages themselves. Those are the pages that people are on when they buy. So today I'm going to walk you through what's wrong with the typical raw listing, like this one that we have here, what a good page looks like, what elements should be there, and the AI workflow that I use on Doba to rewrite the product page in about 30 seconds. So stick to the end, I'll show you the whole flow. And this video is sponsored by Doba's Elite Academy. It's the dropshipping trading platform that I've been working through, and most of what I'm sharing today comes from the frameworks that they teach. So I'll show you what Doba can do here in a second. But again, let's examine this page and we'll show the elements that are missing for this to be a good product page. So problem number one is a weak title. First off, the order of the words don't really make sense. And they're not good for search engines. I guarantee you, no one is on Google searching for pillow ergonomic lumbar roll. They're looking for things like lumbar pillow for back support or lumbar pillow for an office chair or whatever. This title doesn't tell me what the product does or who it's for or anything like that. A good product title will sell. The title alone might be enough for people to buy it. So problem number two is the description. So again, look at this. It's just a spec sheet. Material, mesh cloth, sponge polyester. That's not selling anything. So the fix is pretty simple. For every spec, every feature, you want to ask, so what? Why do people care? People buy because of their pain points that they're looking to solve. So you could still have a spec sheet here, but you could say soft and breathable so you stay cool while you're seating. I mean, some of these are okay. Reduces back pain. That's a good one right there. But modified one piece. You could say modified one piece so it won't rip apart. And then the third is no social proof. So people usually buy based on reviews of some kind. There's no reviews for this product. They do have some reviews down here, but as I mentioned, these knee sleeves from Temp are a game changer. These aren't about the product itself at all. So I can almost guarantee you that no one has ever bought this product from this product page. In fact, problem number four, when I go to click buy it now, this store isn't set up to receive orders yet. So sorry to these guys if I'm roasting them, for no reason, but can't even actually buy from the store. So that would be a big problem number four. But before we get to the rewrite, let me give you the 5 rules that I follow on every product page. So if your page hits all 5, you should see your numbers go up. You should see your numbers move. I've seen it happen on my own store. Rule number 1 is you want really clear value. So a visitor should know what the product is and why they'd want it in about 3 seconds. That's about all the time we have in this day and age to keep people's attention. So big, clear photo, really plain title that explains what it is, 1-sentence value statement. You want that right at the top of the page that people can see right when they get there. Rule 2 is you want benefit-focused copy. So every spec gets connected to a real outcome. You're not just listing features and what this is, but you're listing the value. People are buying value. They're not looking to buy a list of features. So instead of memory foam, it becomes no more back pain after long work days. Instead of removable cover, it says easily washable. Features are just facts, but benefits are reasons to actually buy the product. Rule number 3 is you need a trust stack. So you need reviews as close to the buy button as you can possibly get. You want to show people this is a good product that other people have bought and have been happy with. And if you're able to get, customer photos with a quote or things like that, the more you can get, the better. But you want some social proof that this is a good buy. Rule number 4, you want to get rid of all friction. So you want the price visible. You want shipping clear. You want returns clear. You want to give the buyer no reason to not go ahead and buy right now. Rule number 5, you actually want to build for mobile first. So most people actually do their shopping on their phone these days. So you want to make sure that your page looks good on mobile size as well. So this is part of the workflow that Doba Elite Academy actually changed for me. So Doba's a wholesale catalog. There's millions of products coming straight from suppliers. And like any wholesale feed, the supplier side data comes through kind of raw. So bare titles, basic descriptions, packed in specs. And that's how wholesale data works across all platforms. But what makes Doba different is what happens when you go to list this in your store. So I found this lumbar pillow and I want to list it to my store. And again, this is just raw data from the supplier that sometimes people will just ship with that data. But we want to get a better title that says exactly what it is and makes people want to buy. So I could think of my own title, I could brainstorm a little bit, but if you can use AI to make your life easier and to save some time, let's go ahead and do that. So we can use their AI optimizer. And these are based on things that actually sell, words that actually sell things. But see, instead of lumbar pillow 1PC, we could do premium lumbar support pillow, ergonomic back cushion for home, office, home, and travel, enhances posture, and relieves back pain. See, that went from just a title to a sentence, shows the value. I mean, that's a selling title right there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll select and replace, and we have our title set. So now we have the description, and it's not awful. It's not the worst that I've seen. But let's use the AI optimizer and we'll get an even better description that also sells and talks about the benefits. All right, immerse yourself in the luxury of our natural cotton filling. That's good selling language. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort and support. I mean, these are the types of words that make people want to actually buy the product. So let's select and replace. Now, I don't recommend that you just use AI and then just let it go. Like, I think we can make this look a little better. Like just putting some space between this. Nobody wants to read just a full, wall of text. So let's space it out a little bit, make it look a little nicer. But this is the kind of practical workflow that Doba Elite Academy walks you through. So the principles behind it, plus the tool, plus the editing pass. So not just theory, not just AI doing it for you, but the whole loop, including the human looking at it at the end so that you get the best converting page that you have. And the photos are pretty good. So this is going to be a pretty good product page helped out with Doba's AI tools. So again, just to recap, the 4 killers on most dropshipping pages: weak title, feature dump description, no trust signals, buried placement. The 5 rules of a good page: clear value, benefits not features, trust stack, remove friction, and mobile first. And the workflow for Doba is list a product to your store, run it through Doba's AI listing optimizer, do a human pass on it, and then you can ship it live. Same product, same traffic, but better results because it's a better page. So if you're watching and you want to try this workflow for yourself, Doba's the platform that powers it. So wholesale catalog plus the AI hub built right into the listing flow. Link is in the description. I do have a promo code for you that I will leave down below. Please do like and subscribe. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.